Hello everyone. If you keep getting this error 0x803F7001 when you're trying to activate Windows, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your computer. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu. You're going to right here command. You're going to right click on it, go into run as administrator, click yes on here. You're going to put this command in first, slmgr-rearm, and after that, you're going to go ahead and put in this command, slmgr.vbs/ipk. And after that, you're going to put in your product key here. So for example, this is my product key. And once you put in your product key, then what you're going to do is you're going to put in the last command on here, slmgr.vbs/ato. Once you put in all three of those commands, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu again. You're going to write here reg edit, click yes on here. And here you're going to go into HKey local machine. Then you're going to go into software. And then you're going to go into Microsoft. And then you're going to go into Windows NT. So it should be right around here. Here it is, Windows NT. You're going to click onto current version then. And once you're here, you're going to find product ID. You're going to double click on it. You're going to put in your product ID on here. And once you put in your product ID, you're going to click on OK on here. And then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer once. And once you restart your computer, then when you check your Windows activation by opening up the start menu, writing here activation, you'll see that your Windows 11 or Windows 10 will have been activated. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that Windows activation error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.